also how to connect AirPod to your Samsung Galaxy A56. Turn on your AirPod. Now open your control menu, then you can see the Bluetooth option. Press and hold, enable your Bluetooth option, and wait a couple of seconds. In short time you can see your AirPod is available here. Just press on pairing, press on pair. Now it's connected. If you go to your, then you can see connected. Now let's play any music, then it's comes from this one. And let's check if you disable this option, you can see. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.